Be taking a look at LEXG. Guys, I was really excited just to take a look at this chart. I seen that Jabba was posting about this over here in our live chat on investorshangout.com/live, and I was like, hey, I better take a look at it, see what's going on. As soon as he said Pennyland, I said, okay, well, we know what that means. It's starting to run, and I want to get over there and take a look at it. And we are just going to look at it and look at it. LEXG 1-4, when we took a look at it right there, look at it, 006. I said room to run. You guys had the next day of a pop-up and pull back down to the 20-day simple moving average. You rode that. You guys rode that right there, that 20-day simple moving average. We didn't cover it really since. So, I mean, after that initial on the 4th, but we looked at it again yesterday. And a lot of stuff started happening. You got the parabolic star that flipped under. You're above all simple day moving averages. Bollinger Bands were set, and the RSI was at 71. And I said right there, 0039. Again, to give you guys a better idea of where that was, is right here. That red line is when we looked at it yesterday. Okay, this green candle, this big green candle is where it's at right now. I said 0039, hold until 003. Okay, unless buying pressure starts again, it will run from here. And you guys went right down there. It didn't get as low as I thought it would, unless, all right, hold until 003. I thought that it would pull back more down. But you guys went down, hit that bottom at 005, at 0035 yesterday. And then today, look at it. Unless buying pressure starts again, can run from here. I said that yesterday. You guys are up 93%. Congratulations to everyone that watches our streams. I keep telling you guys this, and the word is spreading rapidly. It's up to you guys to get our word out there about our live streams. And I think that you guys can agree, after all the videos you guys watch, how many of these, I would say 80% of them, we end up finding way down here before they take off running. Okay, 80% accuracy. I could say, I'm sure a lot of people can agree, 80% accuracy when we go over these stocks. That's where I like to keep it at. I thrive for that. In a combination, what helps me with that is the information that Joe shares with us. Okay, I get a better idea where the company's going. It's going to give me a little bit better of a read. It's not just charts, it's company information, everything. Again, boom, you guys took off. I really don't know. I can't add anything to this right now of where I think it's going to go. You're up 95%, 98, 100% right now off of yesterday, where I really felt that, like I said, buying pressure starts again. It will run, and that buying pressure is there. This stock has ran from here to $10 before. I am not putting any limit on this one. It's up to you solely to make your decision. I'm not going to say where I think it's going to top out. You're hitting a resistance level right now. But that, again, isn't even a major resistance. A major resistance level is going to be at 1 cent. Jobum, hats off to you. Again, Pennyland, inbound. That's what I'm going to leave
So
that
they
at.
have
Joe,
news today.
real
Yeah,
quick,
there's news right now.
would you cover that? And I think that this one's going to be, might be a big runner. If you don't mind giving a description of the company real quick. I got to go do something. I'll be back in a minute.
All right, so Lithium Exploration Group is a U.S.-based exploration and development company focused on the acquisition and development potential of lithium brines and other precious metals that demonstrate high probability for near-term production. Currently, the company is focused testing its Soncave technology and the acquisition of oil and gas-related assets in Western Canada. Sorry, I accidentally dropped something. So, Lithium Exploration Group is traded on OTC markets under the ticker symbol LEXG. So, their news today was Lithium Exploration Group anticipates Trump inauguration to expand 2017 sales potential well beyond recently disclosed pending 1.2 million sales contract. So today they announced the company will publish an online presentation next week, further detailing the recently disclosed negotiations anticipated to result in a 1.2 million contract for access to the sonic Cavitation Limited lithium harvesting technology. The pending contract calls for LEXG's strategic engagement with an integrator of various technologies and services that amount to a turnkey capacity for delivering usable lithium ready for battery production. In addition to explaining in greater depth the contract under negotiation, the presentation will disclose further measures LEXG is currently undertaking in conjunction with the contract under negotiation. For instance, LEXG is currently finalizing details for a notable industry expert to join the company in an advisory capacity to lead LEXG's strategic engagement into the pending coalition of integrator assembled lithium technologies and services. With the addition of this industry expert, LEXG expects to play a leading strategic role in the acquisition of the patented lithium technologies expected to be included within the overall pool of integrator assembled lithium technologies and services. So that's pretty much it. They got that presentation next week that they're going to have on their website. I believe it's going to be. Yeah, so it just says stay tuned next week because they said the presentation
Wait,
next
when
week.
was it, Joe? I'm sorry to interrupt
Look,
you.
the press release was today.
And it
So
says
there's a
stay
press
tuned
release
for
right
next
now.
week.
Yeah, well, because they basically, the press release today was Lithium Exploration Group anticipates Trump's inauguration to expand 2017 sales potential well beyond recently disclosed pending 1.2 million sales contract.
All right, so it's
right
inauguration run.
Oh no, not necessarily.
Well,
inauguration run.
they're anticipating the Trump administration, right?
Yeah, well, the change of administration, they feel that it'll be beneficial to their company, obviously.
Right.
So they're basically saying right here, the presentation next week will also look at lithium opportunity market-wide, paying particular attention to President Trump's inauguration and some of his recent lithium industry-related actions, such as his inclusion of Tesla's CEO, Elon Musk, on the President's Council of Business Leaders, and the president's demand for the automotive industry to create more U.S. jobs, and how increased electric car production might generate those jobs. So stay tuned for LEXG presentation next week.
All right. So real quick, again, I mean, Sterling, I was just reading your message over here. Honestly, man, it's too hard to tell. Everything's off. Look at that. You guys, everybody that's watching this, I said that here comes that penny. You're over it now. You're up 150%. Awesome. I really don't know, Sterling. I wish that I can give you an accurate, you know, an accurate call on this. I really do. I wish I can give everybody a dead on call every single time. I just don't know. The reason for that is that this one is known for massive, massive runs. I mean, sub penny to $10 before. Think about that. I mean, there was
because every time last time, you know, they would just. I'll never forget this one.
Yeah,
it's priceless. Because just when people would think it was over, and you know, all these people would take out these huge shorts, and then boom, they just get smacked and have to fill.
Right.
It
it's
was
true.
crazy.
So LEXG guys, I whatever you decide, if you're in it already, biggest thing is that if you were looking for a bounce off that, okay, now looking for a bounce off the. All right, so high a day 0112, now at 0091, looking for a bounce. Job I'm just added for LEXG. You guys, this is all I really have to add for this. Joe, thank you for everything and giving me a second to step away so you can continue on. InvestorsHangout.com. Make sure you come over here. Make sure you check out the site. And remember, this one goes up to $10 again. We were talking about it. It's sub penny. Thing that I thought was getting ready to run, and you know.
Yeah, that's a little extreme though. You can't be like, yeah, it's gonna go to $10.
No, I didn't say that. I said
penny.
If
it ever did, yeah, that would be funny.
But look, it's happened before, man. You got to remember that these things aren't going to happen every day. But I've seen it happen with these stocks over and over, where it just repeat itself once every 2 years, the same month, boom, whatever the case might be.
Yeah, but that was this was more towards like, you know, the good old awesome penny stock era.
Yeah. Yeah, no kidding, man. You can't, those were the days. And I'm sure everybody can agree. You've
yeah,
seen them.
everybody remembers.
Ellie, you know what was funny about them is that awesome penny stocks. Obviously, everybody has heard of them. When we first started Investors Hangout, I have no idea who was behind it, who ran awesome penny stocks. I don't know. Never dealt with them that I know of. But all of a sudden, one day, somebody sent me an email. It says, "Did you see this?" And I clicked on it, and it was Awesome Penny Stocks website, and it had Investors Hangout logo on the right. And it says join Investors Hangout. I'm like, where did that come from? No idea. I still don't know to this day. Whoever was running it was well aware of us and put that on there. I thought it was funny because I had no idea about it. But anyways, LEXG. Again, you guys, investorshangout.com/live. Join our live stream. And you would have found this one at least yesterday when me and Jobin were going over it and on the 4th. So again, check that out.